Okay, people, today I'm sharing this is a jade plant, and it has some companion plants in there, this succulent and this jade here. But what I want to share is, and ask you all, is do you think this plant is trying to flower? Because look at these things right there. See them little long elongated parts of the plant, and this is the tip of the plant. What y'all think? Do you think this plant is trying to bloom? This camera's focusing. Hold on. No, we don't want that. Back up. Okay. This is a jade plant. It's a beautiful plant, and it's really full, as you can see, and it's stocking, and it looks like it's trying to make some kind of, I don't know if it's flowers or just, it doesn't look like leaves, or maybe it is leaves. I don't know, but I never seen this plant do this before, so maybe those are leaves. But it's in the full sun, so I don't know why. I guess I never just seen a plant grow like this. But if you guys seen this plant grow like this before, if you think it's trying to stretch to the sun, or it's just, that's just how it's growing, because it is full. It's a beautiful plant. This is a jade. I call it thumb plant, but anyway, okay, we were cut off. But that's all. I'm just sharing with you guys a small little garden update about this plant here, this jade plant. And if you guys have a plant like this that's growing like this, please share about it in the comments. I want to thank all my subscribers for coming back each and every time, especially if you love gardening, because this won't be the last one. See how full this plant is? And I need to, I don't know, I might put in a bigger planter. But this is the only plant I'm sharing today, I believe. Okay, my camera needs charging, so I'm going to let y'all go and just say thanks for watching.